It's an exciting dish for kids. You're taking 1 cup of pasta, add a lot of water to the pan, like 4 to 5 times more water. Add a little bit of salt and some oil so that they'll not stick together. Pasta takes about 10 to 12 minutes to cook. If you want to keep it al dente, I think it should be 8 to 10 minutes. If you take a bite into the pasta, it should be a little bit sticky and chewy. That is called al dente taste, but you can cook it to your liking. We are using tomato basil pasta sauce for this dish. You can use any pasta sauce available at home. In a separate hot pan, add a little bit of oil. Add bell peppers. They are also called as Shimla mirch in some parts of the world. We are using orange and red bell peppers, and those white chunks are like onions, big pieces of onions. We just want to saute them and cook them for about 5 minutes so that they'll just cook lightly. In the same pan, you can add oil, add cumin seeds and garlic. Garlic adds great taste to pasta. You can add more garlic as you like, and roast it for a few minutes. Add the pasta sauce that we kept aside, about a cup. Then you can season it with salt and whatever seasonings like coriander powder or chili powder. We also added Italian seasoning, but these are optional. Some people just like it with the plain pasta sauce. You can keep it that way too, but our kids like it this way, so that's why we are showing it this way. We also added a little bit of pepper. It will take only a couple of minutes to just mix everything and make it hot, and then you can add the pasta. We're using penny pasta here, you might have noticed. Give it a mix. On top of this, you can add cheese. Any cheese is fine. We are using a mix of mozzarella and cheddar cheese here. You can just make it with mozzarella. Parmesan cheese also adds great flavor to pasta. If you have it, you can add it. And we are adding the veggies. Instead of veggies, you can make this with pieces of chicken or meatballs to make it more protein rich. But this will keep it light. This is a great lunch for kids. As a side, as always, we are adding a fruit and nut combination. Here we added grapes and overnight soaked peanuts. This is a very balanced and healthy and tasty lunch idea. The second recipe is mac and cheese. Kids love it. Take a big kettle full of water. Add 1 cup of elbow pasta. Elbow pasta works best for the mac and cheese recipe. Add salt to your taste. Add a little bit of oil so that the pasta stays separate. Mix it occasionally. Cook for about 8 to 10 minutes for al dente. If you want it soft, you can cook it for a little longer, about 10 to 12 minutes. Separate out the pasta and keep it there. Do not rinse with water. In a separate pan, add butter. Add a little bit of all-purpose flour and cook it in a low flame. We are making roux here. Roux is made with a lot of fat. That means it takes a lot more butter and oil. But for this recipe, we wanted to keep the fat a little bit less. So keep on stirring and cook it until it is light brown. Add a little bit of Italian seasoning, red chili flakes. You can crush in a little bit of black pepper as well. Once this is thoroughly cooked, add milk. We are using about 1.5 cup of milk for 1 cup of pasta. That works just right. Stir in the milk and mix it well so that all the clumps in the roux are dissolved and you see the even consistency. Add grated cheese. We are taking a mix of Monterey Jack and cheddar cheese. You can have your own mix, but we found that a mix with the sour and plain cheese works best. Add the boiled pasta to it. Mix it well so that all the pieces of pasta get a nice coating of the roux and the white sauce. Sprinkle salt and pepper to taste. This doesn't need anything more. This is very rich in like milk, cheese and pasta, so it tastes really yummy and kids love it. Our kids like it a lot. We serve them for dinner, we sometimes give them for lunch, but this is served hot the best. Please like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye now.